Welcome to this series on Navigate PowerHEDA. I am Evan from the IDSC training team, and I will be your guide in this tutorial. The PowerHEDA Ribbon. The PowerHEDA Ribbon is always accessible when the PowerHEDA portal is accessed. It is characterized by various elements that will differ depending on whether you are signed in and your user permissions. If you have been assigned limited permissions, clicking on the icon to the left of the PowerHEDA or institution logo will open the My Favorites menu. Here, you may navigate through the list of objects that have been linked in your My Favorites menu. These may be applications, reports, hyperlinks, or any PowerHEDA object. Clicking on the PowerHEDA or institution logo opens the last visited dashboard. If you have been assigned dashboard administrator permissions, your PowerHEDA ribbon will display more elements available for you. The Edit Toolbar will also be available to you. Clicking on the icon to the left of the PowerHEDA or institution logo will open the Tools menu. Here, the PowerHEDA administrator will have access to all admin, security, and specific administrative or application functions. Clicking on the PowerHEDA or institution logo will open the last viewed dashboard. HEDA Explorer or PowerHEDA Explorer is accessible from anywhere in PowerHEDA. Enter search criteria to find your link in the PowerHEDA Explorer menu. This hierarchical menu is defined by the PowerHEDA administrator to display links to any objects in PowerHEDA. Right-click on any object to add it to the My Favorites menu, which is also accessible from the PowerHEDA Explorer. The Create Dashboard function creates a blank dashboard and sets all the properties to define the dashboard. Here, you can set a title for your dashboard, select a layout. Layouts are defined in columns and sections that are horizontal that logically group all the widgets that will later be placed on your dashboard. Additional layouts are available, and these can be custom defined in PowerHEDA. Select a dashboard group for this dashboard to be grouped in. A good practice is to assign dashboards to a group that contains similar information. If a suitable group does not exist, click on the tick box, create a new group, and a new group will be created to which this dashboard will be a member. The option to show dashboard as a report in view mode will be enabled when this tick box is checked. The next option to show the filter bar in view mode allows dashboards to display the filter bar in view mode when it is only available to users with limited access. In this way, such users will be able to access the filter bar and apply filters to this dashboard. An optional description can be set for this dashboard. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save button. Once this dashboard is created, the user can connect the dashboard to a dataset perspective so that widgets can be added to the dashboard. Widgets are the containers that apply the data in a visual format in PowerHEDA. Dashboards function will open the list of available dashboards. There are 3 views of this dashboard list. The default user view has a menu to the left and each dashboard per group listed on the right. The tile view lists the dashboards in a familiar Windows 8 Plus interface. The administrator view offers more functions for administrators, such as setting the default dashboard, deleting dashboards, and changing the color of dashboards as they will display in the tile or user view. Clicking on the view icon will open the selected dashboard. The queue is a PowerHEDA function that will display a list of dataset functions that will be executed in the background while the user continues to make changes to a dataset without having to first wait for the database to update. When items are in the queue, the user may choose to manually update items. Your username is displayed on the PowerHEDA ribbon to the right of the screen. The drop-down box allows you to select My Profile, where users can modify profile details and change the password. Clicking on Sign Out will take the user out of PowerHEDA and closes all connections to the database. When the Edit View toggle button is set to edit, the Edit toolbar will display. When it is set to View, the Edit toolbar will no longer be available. The View mode is the default mode for users with general permissions and user access. The View mode also applies the settings that were set when the dashboard was created to show the dashboard as a report and or to show the filter bar. The camera icon allows you to take a screenshot of the dashboard. This will download an image of the entire dashboard. This image can be viewed and used for any purposes that you may require, for example, using it in a presentation or in a report. The question mark icon opens the link to the help file and other references. Your administrator may list any references that may be required in this folder. Clicking on the Open PowerHEDA Help button will open the online PowerHEDA Help. Here, any topic can be navigated or searched to display relevant information related to the search criteria. The help file also shows the updates in the latest version of PowerHEDA. This version can be read on the bottom left of your PowerHEDA screen. Clicking on the PowerHEDA or institution logo will open the last visited dashboard. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions or any feedback on this tutorial, please send an email to support@idsc.co.za.